What if you could send professional emails from your own domain without coding, complicated setup, or monthly fees, and you can do it in just 3 clicks? That's exactly what SmartInbox promises. In this video, I'm diving deep to see if it's actually worth it. And hey, if you're into honest reviews of digital tools that can grow your brand or business, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Plus, if you decide to grab SmartInbox through my link below, you get access to exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. When you have access to SmartInbox, you can see the total domains that you've added. You can see the total emails that you've created. You can see that we've created 1 domain and we also created 1 email. We'll show you how that works. From the dashboard, you can go to your domain center, and here you can see all the domains that you've added. We cannot add a new domain right now because our plan only offers 1 of 1 domain. But if you want to add a domain, you click on the domain button and you add your website without including www or the HTTPS markup. So you just put your domain name, which you can see we've put already. Then you can create your emails. When you go to the email platform, here you can see all the emails that you've made. You can see that we've created 1 email, admin@digitechguide.com, and we can see we have a webmail. We can edit it, we can copy the webmail address, or we can delete it. So if you want to edit that email, you can simply click on edit email. Then you can see all the information here. We already have a password and you can change the password from here. Then you can give access to other people. We'll come back to view the webmail, but let's just look at your profile. And on your profile, you can make changes to your account. And here you can see we have all our information here. So if you want to view your webmail to test that it's working and see that all the features that you've paid for are working, here you've created all the emails and you can give access to different people in your company. And one thing about it is that you have lifetime access. So we can click here to view the webmail, and you can see this is a webmail that we've already created. We already have some emails that are here. So these are emails that we tried to send or probably did not send properly. So if you want to, okay, this was an email that was not sent properly. So if you want to send an email, it's basically like any normal email maker. You create a new message, add your recipient. Let's say we have, if we have admin, let's say we have cost support. I'm just put in a random email. Then we add our subject and we send. So it works like any normal email sending platform, but with the added advantage that this is a lifetime access. So as we've said, a link to SmartInbox is in the description of this video. If you have any questions, need any clarification, you can definitely ask and we'd love to answer you. And also we have exclusive bonuses available for you if you purchase through our link in the description. There are a lot of reviews of people that have used SmartInbox and they have good reviews on it. So why don't you try it out? We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.